I'm Ron from Coleno, your trusted suite app for efficiently managing your suite billing operations and invoice collections. In this tutorial, I guide you through setting up a subscription activation email reminder in NetSuite. So if you are a One World account, you will go to Setup, Company, Classifications, and you will select Subsidiaries. If you're on a non-One World account, you will go to Setup, Company, Setup Tasks, and Company Information. So here I need to select the subsidiary by going to Edit. So now on this page you can see I have the checkbox to send subscription activation reminder email in bulk that you will check to run that bulk subscription activation reminder script. It can be run manually or on a set schedule. The script identifies and sends reminders for pending activation subscriptions that are fully fulfilled. You can send upon fulfillment on this following box that you will check to send reminders every time items are fully fulfilled, triggered directly by the fulfillment status. Reminder that if you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel. You can then choose the employees that will receive the reminder email and the template that you want to use for them to receive that email. So you just check that template in that drop-downs. Some quick guidelines for email reminders. Whether items are partially or fully fulfilled impacts when reminders are sent. Subscription line splitting also influences the reminder triggers. When you're happy, you will just click on Save, and then you will like this video just under next to the description on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next one.